Hey guys, welcome to the RNS gang.
You're my best friend. You're my best friend. He said true, probably can party, yeah. Because true, you're my best friend.
Like a different setup. Today we are doing a mukbang. I know it's been a while, but we're not gonna get into it, right? It's been a while, babe.
It's been a while, and if I don't have to say what's going on in the world right now,
I hope
what is going
safe.
on? Hope everyone is safe. Being safe, washing your hands,
Practicing safe things, and
make sure you're not spreading germs. But today we're gonna do a mukbang because I like to eat.
Yes, and I like to eat too. My favorite takeout food is Chipotle. So you know I'm about to enjoy this. Yeah, but before we get into this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. And also make sure you like and comment. But
tell us what you want us to eat next.
Yeah, we're doing like something new on our channel where it's more of eating, take out food and things maybe I can cook too, and we do mukbangs, which is it's called mukbang, right? Mukbangs. I see that's a lot on YouTube.
Can't go outside.
And you love to eat and I love to eat, so why not? So but we wanted to put like a little spice to it.
Yeah.
Add a little spice to it, and we like gonna review things. We can review our reactions to like videos, movies, just adding a little spice, chit chat,
Q&As,
instead of just eating, because make it a little bit more interesting. So
little pranks. I may put something in her food, and you may see it for. Oh, sorry.
All right, so we have our Chipotle bag here. This is just for the core, so don't mind it. It might stay right here. I have a Coke. You can't go wrong with a Coke. What do you have there, babe? You want to be fancy.
Sherry.
And then, what do you want to show your food? This is what we have here. I hope you guys can see it.
So I have the carnitas bowl with white rice, corn, salsa, queso, and sour cream, and extra steak with lettuce. And
I have the chicken bowl with a little bit of carnitas, corn, lettuce, and brown rice. I love that.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
Right? Hot topic, sizzling right off the presses during the coronavirus. Don't forget about the guac.
Oh yeah, we got our avocado.
Oh yeah, we don't miss that. So somebody just got out of jail. 6IX9INE. If you don't know, if you know, you could go Google him. You could pause it and Google him. But 6IX9INE just got out of jail, and he feels like he's untouchable, which he shouldn't be according to the code and ethics of the streets.
We're gonna be screen recording so you guys can see. Thank you. Yeah, like, so what do you guys think about that, him just getting out of jail, ratting on his friends? Comment below what you guys think about it. We can have our own discussion.
Save some guac for me. Okay, so we'll start with the first scene. A person that just came out of jail. He rebranded, and now he's a rainbow shark. Okay, look at it. Rainbow shark. Okay. So if you've seen his scene here, and let's go here. I don't know if Rochelle enjoys this part, but it's a rainbow.
Oh, it's the rainbow colors.
It's all the colors of the rainbow.
I didn't realize that.
Okay. So if you know 6IX9INE, he was very colorful.
Yeah.
He always had colorful hair, and I guess he's keeping with that theme,
But why all them girls look like they have the same bodies?
Okay.
They went to the same surgeon?
All girls have the same body. So this is gonna get into a conversation of like what is the perfect body, and I think they may not have go to the same surgeon, but their perception of a perfect body is that. Okay.
That's why they all got the same money.
Who knows?
Girlfriend.
We'll I don't know. We'll see that next.
Okay.
Well, if you see here, all of them holding hands.
Oh yeah.
Unity, right?
Yeah.
Colors in unity, right? Okay. Okay. Here you have him here again.
Why all his music sound the same? Like, I don't know. It's not me. That's not me. I don't like it.
You said all his music sounds the same?
Mm-hmm. They all sound the same.
But, I mean, you can't
It's
say...
not like, oh, you dumb.
Okay.
That other song. What's the other song again?
I'm not gonna say I'm a fan of 6ix9ine or not a fan of 6ix9ine, okay? He makes music. It may be a genre that I may not listen to, right? But I think I can say that he has, even though he has, you said he sings, rap a certain way. I've heard other songs where he sings. You understand?
Oh yeah, he sings too.
Like, there's a song I'll actually shout out one of my friends. I'll produce one of these tracks. It's Lanes, right? Lanes by 6ix9ine. Shout out my boy. So he made a song and 6ix9ine is singing. So
He does that.
this is what makes his millions, right? Him screaming, and I think the cockiness and the screaming, makes him. That's his artist MO,
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay. So, excuse the language. I know if you guys watch a video, yeah, please don't have any kids in the room. One, because girls are in less than clothes on, right? And the lyrics are just, yeah. You heard it yourself. I'm at 22 seconds in.
Yeah. I don't know how people really have tats on their face.
And he cursed 5 times. So.
Damn, you already know. I think the title of the music video is called Gooba. If you guys want to see it, it's Gooba. You guys will see it all.
I'm sure we don't even have to.
I'm just saying it just in case it's hard, because a lot of people are like doing reviews and stuff on it. So
yeah.
It might be hard.
So 6ix9ine Gooba. We'll probably tag it, right? So if you see 6ix9ine, government Daniel Hernandez, through the years, he didn't have any face tattoos.
You know a lot more about him than me.
But now look at his face. He has a whole garden. If you look back, he really had some bad tattoos on his face. Now he has a whole garden. You get money, you get a better tattoo artist, right? So, but I'm really trying to think about, what does the Dalmatian signify? What is it signifying to see?
I think you just wanted to
like 101 Dalmatians.
I don't think he really signified anything in it. Maybe, I don't know.
Who knows? Everything has a meaning for him. From the shark to the Dalmatian to the colors, everything has a meaning and a hidden agenda. Okay?
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Here we go.
Who's the hater? You got a whole bunch of haters.
So if you don't know 6ix9ine, 6ix9ine has created his empire of trolling, right? Here he goes trolling right now. Saying that a couple years later, after he's been locked up for doing a crime and get beat up for a crime and participating in a crime where a lot of people would still be in jail for,
And he got the chance to get out. Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. So that's what he's saying, like, hater, hater.
Because I know.
He's a hater.
Almost similar charges. They always said he's not going to live long. And a lot of people are, you know, good artists. Nowadays, you know, a sign of the times is just people just die. You know, and people always come after
jealousy, hate, as you say. Hate.
I mean, but if someone is jealousy and hate, you got to be humble. If you,
yeah, he's just flashing himself for real. That's
if
true.
you are able to make it out of place,
yeah, humble yourself.
If you are able to make a place, humble yourself.
And somebody already caught where he lives. Some woman caught where he lived, and he got to move already.
He already moved.
He already moved.
And you know what? It's been out a week or something like that.
I don't know why he's still here. He should be somewhere else. He shouldn't even be.
The thing is, he put a lot of people in jail, and he's out laughing and making more millions.
Yup.
So I'll stop here. You asked about his girlfriend. There you go. All right. Well, obviously he would be, you know, out of jail. Of course, you didn't. I'm not gonna say you ain't getting nothing in a while. But I don't know. So
big props to her for holding it down while he was in jail.
I think less big props is like, you know, he was basically guaranteed, you know, holding his bank by the time he was in there.
True.
Where do you think the money was? Wasn't going to his baby mama.
That's true.
Hold on.
Wait 1 second. You can't go back. What's that?
He said, hold up.
Each his own.
Yeah, he got 2 girlfriends up, but what is it? Is it something dominatrix? Is he, you know, dominant? You know, what does it mean?
Dominant.
Look at his face, and she's...
Yeah, she's like, oh, did you get your...
Yeah, it's a joke, but, you know, who knows where that leads to. Him back to flossing money. He makes a lot... Oh, okay, yeah, a rapper's job is to floss money, but...
He was trying to say, I think. What did you just say? Virus. You said something about virus. I'm out here. I'm out here. I'm out here. I'm out here.
He's living on borrowed
But
time.
he's fighting for his... Exactly. That's what I'm going to say. She got a whole... Talking about that, she got a whole tap of his face on him. Like, I'm not getting your salmon.
I look at our daughters, our son's footprint on me.
The footprint, but my face, but my face, but my face, but my face.
I don't want to scare anybody.
Different drip.
Everyone probably thinks 6ix9ine is the man. Like, he had these 2 girls, right? With the same ass, same
Body
surgeon,
shape, everything.
right? They both got one got tattoo. Both of them got tattoo on them, right?
But not of. They both got the tat off his face. No, the main. Who's the main? I think the main one is
chick yellow. She has a tattoo.
Oh.
Yellow has
the top of his face.
on
So
the
she's
front.
She got 69 tatted on her.
She has 6IX9INE on her front.
And she got the face.
Look, now you can see his old tattoos. Before he had the thing on his face, he had this is how he used to look.
Oh, there. That picture right there?
She has 2 tattoos
So
of him.
him. So she not the main? You
But she has 2 tattoos. Look, she has 1, 2, and who knows what's on her arm. What does he represent? Right?
Mm-hmm.
I slide in the belly trucker, the rape trucker, your bestie. I'm big dog, assalamu alaikum, you big hater, you nothing but a hater, cloud chaser. You're mad, I'm back.
It's like he's targeted. He's speaking to like one specific person.
I don't think he's speaking to one specific person.
No?
You're mad, I'm back. Okay, Daniel.
Big mad, he's mad, she's mad, big fat, don't care, stay mad,
Okay. I've been waiting for this part of the video for the whole video. When I first saw this video and this part, 2 minutes into the video, I said, oh no. He is disrespecting the whole game.
He's taking. He's put the. This is
Listen
the
to me,
rat emoji.
It's the rat, snitch, snake emoji. That's the lowest
taking
level.
that shit.
That's the lowest level.
He's taking. You know, he got things to take care of, kids to take care of. What do you want him to do?
That was good, huh? So
I'm completely done.
he took the rat and the mouse emoji and rebranded it for himself. The rat has rainbow whiskers.
Oh, I didn't even realize that.
This is the 6ix9ine rat. Mark my words, he's gonna get a rat chain. I don't care.
Oh yeah,
Babe.
He got a shark right now, so he's gonna get the rat.
Babe.
Yeah, he definitely will. He trying to get people mad as he said, "You're mad." He's like trying to, you know when you poke. That's exactly what he's doing.
He's poking at the lion's den. He has a rat. Look at it.
The rat is laughing. You see what is it? That's crazy. Wow.
I laugh.
I'm just gonna pray for him.
don't care, stay mad,
He don't care. Stay mad. All right. What got he? Wait. The umbrella got stuck on his head. You see that? We're helping him untangle it. What the?
This is how funny he is. 6ix9ine is funny. He really got his hair tied up with his umbrella. He's a big fool. Alright? Big rat fool. Then he shows off. Then he goes and shows off his tracker. Like, okay. Proud? Is that something cool to have? You know what? I got my tracker.
Oh. Tell me why a rat came home to a big bag.
You heard? I didn't even hear it. I just heard, what?
Yeah, that's what he said. See,
Tell me how a Reddit came home to the big bag.
He really did, though. He really did.
Is this what the world has become?
He really did.
Where, the king of New York is a rat and people still support just because he's a troll.
A lot of people on his side too.
Alright, let's show off all the girls. Okay.
They're all pretty. I don't know why they have to do all that for, but they're all pretty.
All of them.
Yeah.
One. Alright. I'm almost done eating.
He was talking. He usually finished food before me, but since he was talking, I took the opportunity and I finished. It's done, right?
Look at my nails, guys. Quarantine, quarantine, quarantine.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not a part of the RNS gang, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you in our next video.
Dang. What is that? That is not an outro. See you later, guys.